Hey everybody, David and David here from Payette.com and Upphone.com, and in this video we're going to show you how to clean and disinfect your AirPods and your AirPods charging case. It's a 3-step process. Step 1, clean it with your anti-static brush or your unused toothbrush. Step 2, wipe it down with a Clorox wipe or one of these nice alcohol prep pads. These are 70% isopropyl alcohol. And step 3, wipe it all down with a nice microfiber cloth.
Apple updated their website recently. It says, is it okay to use a disinfectant on my AirPods or EarPods? Using a 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe or Clorox disinfecting wipes, you may gently wipe the exterior surfaces of your AirPods or EarPods. Don't use on the speaker mesh. Don't use bleach. Avoid getting moisture in any openings, and don't submerge your AirPods or EarPods in any cleaning agents. So important takeaways: don't use it on the speaker mesh inside of your AirPods, and don't use bleach.
Easy to do. So let's actually show them how to do it. First step, you probably don't have an anti-static brush and you're probably self-quarantining right now, so you don't want to go out to the store and buy one.
Right.
You probably have a brand new toothbrush in your apartment or your house. So let's grab one of those. Let's start with the classic AirPods case, the originals, and just open those up and try to just dig around in the speaker mesh there, get any of that earwax out of there. So I should do it for both, huh? For both. Just get in there nice and easy, and then try to get also into your case here. Really dig around. Might be a little bit hard to get deep down there, but that's okay. And we also have the AirPods Pro case here.
We do.
Same process, you know. So what do we do with the ear tips of the AirPods Pro?
The first thing we do is just tap them upside down, especially if any water has gotten inside, on a lint-free soft cloth.
Yep.
But then what we have to do is take off the ear tips itself, and they just sort of pull right off.
Great.
And then run this under water, and you can also sort of flip out this side. You can also brush it out a little bit.
Just gonna give it a nice little quick brush.
Yep. So
Nice
there's
and
some
easy.
gunk in there.
Yep.
Yeah. Ugh.
And then just brush your AirPods. Pretty simple.
You have to be very careful of the speaker mesh. Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
So put this back on, just press it back on, and you're good to go.
Yep. So step 2 is the Clorox wipe or the isopropyl alcohol wipe. Again, 70%. Don't go higher than 70%. A lot of people try to use isopropyl alcohol to fix their water damaged iPhones too. Don't do that. Check out our water damage article, link in a card above. So let's use a Clorox wipe, a little easier than these.
Right, and you could also use a Lysol wipe, same active ingredient.
Perfect.
Alkyl dimethyl benzoyl ammonium chloride.
That's a long word.
I practiced it.
All right, great.
Here we go. We're gonna take it out. These things are worth their weight in gold.
So most important thing here again is just do not get any liquid or moisture into the speaker mesh of your AirPods.
Yeah, don't wipe it off.
Really just try to get the edges of your AirPods and your charging case.
Right, perfect. All right.
So you got that, wipe that off.
You also have to be careful of the metal contacts inside of the charging case.
Yep. Might affect the charging component of the charging case, which is kind of important.
It's one of the most important parts of the charging case. You should bear in mind that to kill the coronavirus, you have to leave it for 2 minutes.
Okay.
So it's a 2-minute wait to make sure you got it all.
All right, and step 3, microfiber cloth. Why a microfiber cloth?
Well, you just don't want to use a tissue or anything that can break up and leave residue inside of the case or inside of your AirPod.
All right, so we waited 2 minutes, and now we're just gonna wipe down the outside here with this microfiber cloth, nice and easy. Maybe open it up a little bit, try to get inside here.
It is tricky to clean out the inside of these cases, and it's just something that we kind of have to live with, right? Because you could sort of roll this up and try to stick it down in there, but Apple specifically says not to touch the charging contacts with liquid of any kind, which, you know, so I don't know.
I mean, it's important to keep in mind too that disinfectants are never going to kill 100% of whatever you're trying to disinfect. So we're doing our best, and that's about as good as you can do.
Yeah.
And it's all obviously, you know, getting rid of 70% is better than getting rid of 0%. So wipe it down, microfiber cloth, nice and easy. Open it up. AirPods, same deal. Very talented to use a microfiber cloth. So that is how to clean and disinfect your AirPods Pro, your AirPods, and your AirPods charging case. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave us a comment down below with any other questions, maybe some cleaning tips for us. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great iPhone videos.